Raising glasses, unpacking, a toast to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard in celebrations, gatherings, or even in movies: a toast to success. It's a phrase rich in meaning and tradition, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. So, let's raise our glasses to learning. The phrase, a toast to success, is used to celebrate achievements, milestones, or good fortunes. It involves raising a glass of drink, usually wine or champagne, as a gesture of honor or tribute to someone's or one's own success. The key components of this phrase are a toast, which refers to the act of honoring, and success, which signifies the achievement or positive outcome being celebrated. This phrase encapsulates the spirit of celebration and communal happiness over an accomplishment. The tradition of toasting dates back to ancient times and has roots in various cultures around the world. Initially, it was a gesture of goodwill, where sharing a drink was a way to show trust and camaraderie. The term toast itself comes from a historical practice in the 16th to 17th centuries, where a piece of toasted bread was placed in wine to improve its flavor and absorb the acidity. Over time, the act evolved into the modern-day custom of clinking glasses and saying something meaningful before taking a sip. Making a toast involves more than just saying, a toast to success. Here are some tips to make your toast memorable. Prepare. Think about what you want to say beforehand. A toast can be short, but it should be heartfelt. Stand up. If it's a formal occasion, standing up is a sign of respect. Get attention. Raise your glass to signal you're about to make a toast. You can do this by gently clinking your glass with a utensil or simply raising your voice. Speak clearly. Share your congratulations. Express your happiness for the achievement. And end with the phrase, a toast to success, or a variation that suits the occasion. Clink glasses. If you're in person, this is a common practice, symbolizing unity and celebration. If you're virtual, a nod or a smile can convey the same sentiment. Sip. After the toast, take a sip of your drink. This seals the act of toasting. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various settings, from formal gatherings like business achievements, graduations, or weddings to more casual settings like a friend's promotion or completing a challenging project. It's a way to acknowledge hard work, perseverance, and the joy of achieving goals. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful tradition of toasting and especially on how to use a toast to success in your celebrations. Remember, the essence of a toast is not just in the words you say but in the spirit of goodwill and camaraderie it represents. Here's to your success in mastering English expressions and beyond. Cheers, and see you in our next video.